BuzzSumo Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to BuzzSumo and other recommended tools are in the description. Now let's get straight to the review. BuzzSumo is a content research and social media analytics tool designed to help businesses find trending topics, analyze competitors' content strategies, and discover influencers. For dropshippers, this means identifying viral product trends, creating high-engagement content, and leveraging influencer marketing to drive traffic. But is it worth it? Let's break it down. Features. BuzzSumo's content research tool allows you to find the most shared and trending content in any niche, helping you create blog posts, ads, and social media content that actually get engagement. The competitor analysis feature lets you track which types of content are performing best for other dropshipping stores, giving you an edge when planning your marketing. One of its most useful tools is the influencer discovery feature, which helps you find and connect with influencers in your niche, perfect for Instagram and TikTok product promotions. BuzzSumo also provides brand monitoring, which alerts you when your brand or competitors are mentioned online. If you rely on organic or social media marketing, these insights are game-changing. Who is it for? BuzzSumo is ideal for dropshippers focusing on content marketing, social media growth, and influencer collaborations. If you're running a blog, looking for viral product trends, or leveraging influencers, this tool will help streamline your strategy. However, if your main focus is paid advertising, Google or Facebook ads, BuzzSumo won't be as essential. Strengths: finds viral content and trends, helps identify what's working in your niche. Competitor content analysis: learn which topics and strategies drive engagement. Influencer discovery: connect with key influencers for product promotions. Brand monitoring: track mentions of your store and competitors. Great for organic and social media marketing, helps improve engagement and traffic. Weaknesses: not focused on paid ads, doesn't help optimize Google or Facebook ads. Limited SEO features, better for content and social media rather than full SEO analysis. Can be expensive. Pricing may not suit beginners who aren't focused on content marketing. Final verdict: if you want to leverage viral content, influencer marketing, and social media to grow your dropshipping business, BuzzSumo is a powerful tool. It's not for ad-heavy strategies, but for content-driven marketing, it's one of the best tools available. Check out the links in the description for special offers and free trials.